Which law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Would this be letter A, Newton's first law? Letter B, Newton's second law? Letter C, Newton's third law? Or letter D, the law of universal gravitation? What is our choice? Okay, ito nasa reel din po natin ito, no? Nasa reel din natin. So make sure naka-follow po kayo sa TikTok, YouTube, sa Facebook, no? Para every time na meron po tayong reels, ay nakikita po ninyo nakapost. Alright, I see a lot of letter C sa ating comment box. Sabi dito, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Baka sabihin nyo, paano po coach maging equal but opposite? No? Ibig sabihin po niyan, for every action, sa kada force, no? Sa kada puwersa, meron pong puwersa na equal in magnitude. Kapag 10 Newton, yung action na force, no? 10 Newton din yung reaction force, pero opposite yung kanyang direction. Okay? So, opposite yung kanyang direction. Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito, of course, is letter C. This is Newton's third law of motion. No? The law of action-reaction or the law of interaction.